Assalamu alaikum P2. Today we are going to start history portion. We will take start from chapter 13, the decline and the reawakening of the Muslims. Today I will give you a overview or introduction of the chapter. Remember that we will discuss each and every topic of the chapter in detail. It's just an overview or introduction. I hope you like it. Learning outcomes. In this chapter, students will be able to learn or to study about the decline of the Muslims as the industrializing Europeans seized and colonized the region. They will be able to learn about the collapse of Mughal Empire and the knowledge about early thinkers who tried to reform and reinvigorate Islam. Reasons for the decline of the Muslims. Students, the chase of worldly power and loss of focus was the main reason for the decline of the Muslim states. The rulers became autocratic. Education and quest of knowledge was not given importance. Politically, there were rivalries and corruption, and by the end of 19th century, the Muslim world was completely dominated by the Europeans. The rise of the Muslims. The madrasas and maktab, as the basic center of Islamic learning, played a major role in the revival of the Muslims. Ulama or scholars advocated Muslims to return to Quranic principles to reform society. Slowly, Muslims began to awaken and some of them acquired education. A number of personalities emerged on the scenes as leaders. Students, in this chapter we will discuss about the role of thinkers like Shah Waliullah and Sayyid Ahmad Shahid. Shah Waliullah translated the Quran into Persian language. Persian was the language that was understood by many people at that time. His son later translated it into Urdu. He realized the importance of equality in the society. He urged that the peasants and the workmen should be given handsome income. Sayyid Ahmad Shahid was a man of action. He introduced jihad movement and he planned to return Punjab and NWFP to Muslim rule. Let me tell you that the both personalities were very progressive in their ideas and they believed on education. Girls, that's all for the day. I have just given you a introduction of the chapter. Inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss topic 1, that is the reasons for the decline of the Muslim state, in a very detailed manner. Thank you so much.